Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're in London and we've come to do the deep level air raid shelters, and this is absolutely incredible guys. This is literally a walk back in time. I think at some point it was used as a storage facilities for companies to store stuff in, because this far down they are actually dry. You can actually hear the tube trains above us. Not down here. What's all these? Actually goes on for miles, guys. Look at all the beds.
That's a shiny torch for me.
We'll walk back that way. 1, 2, 3. So 3 people on them guys. Look at that. Absolutely insane. Wow. We will come back to this part. There's another. Wow, to think how many families, guys, would have been here during the war. I think I read up online there was about 7,000 people per air raid shelter. Can you hear there we go. You can hear the tubes above us. It's crazy.
We're doing this far then.
So yeah guys, if you have made it this far in the video, hit that like button, give it a share with friends and family, tell a friend to tell a friend, and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely incredible. Wow, look at that, a real size body. Oh my god, what is he still doing here?
Get on that top one. It's quite awkward.
I could imagine it would have been a bit of a trying to go to toilet and stuff. I'll tell you something. You didn't actually have that much room, did you? Like,
But if your was all the way down there,
yo! Listen to the trains, guys. Literally above our head, is a tube line, and it's absolutely incredible, mental to hear tubes above you, tube line above you. All this, it's water that, isn't it? Each number would have been dedicated to one person. It's crazy. These go on for absolutely ages as well, guys. Like, we've only been here probably 20 minutes, and the walk down was mental. Yeah. Just to think, there could have been up to 7,000 people in these tunnels at one time. And overnight, I think they had certain times when they were open. I think online it was saying 7 at night till 7 in the morning. Then obviously they go about the daily lives, and then come back during the war. And these would probably be toilet areas, maybe. Look at that, guys, look, it carries on going. That sounds mega. Look at the old sign. Absolutely crazy. And guys, let me have a you can't even see the end. Like in this video as well, guys, I've not actually walked to the other end of this, so I'm doing it as I'm walking through. These must be at least a mile long, if not probably more. Absolutely insane. Another ventilation. Right, guys, we've walked all the way up to the other side.
Where is it?
Now we are walking down. You're going to see how many stairs people would have had to walk up and down back in the day. He also did have a lift. These go underground further than the tube lines as well. No, I got another. I presume so. Don't know without looking. Look at this stigma on the walls. Look at the pipes and that. For water dropping. Look, it's gone in there. Down into there. That's crazy. If you are enjoying the video as well, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Tell you something, you'd be knackered first thing in the morning walking up these. Be absolutely knackered. So yeah, this is the first explore we've done while we've been in London today, and I'm already dead. 20, 30 minutes into the explore and I'm already dead. These stairs have killed me off, guys. Absolutely killer. Rihanna's dying. I feel snotty now because of all the dust. Whoa, gone dizzy. I know, I've gone jellyfied. Look at this. Look at this, Rihanna. Flooded. Crazy. Yeah, that would have been. I don't know if you can see how far that actually goes. I don't know if you could actually see that, guys, but well, there's a massive gust of wind coming down here. And yeah, pretty cool place. Destruction area. I don't actually know where the air's coming from, right? And yeah, so we carry on walking through. We had a little oh, look at that Corona Tower. These would have been storage lockers for obviously companies, maybe documents. I know there was other deep level air raid shelters across London, and I know some of them are privately owned, and a couple of them are owned by data companies. But I think this one's owned by Transport for London. He always farts in videos.
Dude, I found the fucking checkbook from the Irish Bank.
From 1999. Try torchlight line.
You were whistling?
What? It's full. Checkbook's full.
Oh, 99. Oh yeah, 99.
How full's that?
It's crazy.
What's gonna be rich then?
Write yourself a check.
Yes, mate. Pick up the phone.
Imagine having to walk down from there, and your bunk was the very last one.
Just lay there and listen to the phones getting dropped.
I don't think you'd be able to hear them.
You can hear the tubes. Go on,
Yeah, but the tube trains run just above this.
Yeah, you'll I'm not letting that box do.
Literally hear them above us as well, guys. It's crazy.
That feels nice again. Where you going? This way. I think. I don't remember walking down here. Ow.
Absolutely mental. Here, we're higher up though here. These go on for at least maybe half a mile as well, don't they?
Yeah.
Probably even longer. Feels like you're walking for miles though, guys, honestly. No, I'm dreading them stairs as well. But yeah, if you are enjoying the video, hit that like button, guys. This is probably one of the best places we've hit. Literally, it's like walking back into time, walking back in time. Look how far we've walked already. This'll keep you fit. Look how claustrophobic you'd have been though. Imagine sleeping underneath there right up against the wall. Imagine being against the wall and needing a wee. And having to walk half a mile just to go for a wee. No, this is where we just come from. Is it not? Yeah, it is. We've just come through here.
No, yeah.
Vault.
Oh, hello.
These are all tickets, train tickets.
From when?
£119.
178.
September 02.
Yeah, September.
Oh, look at all these documents, guys. All these old train tickets.
I need food and drink.
2002. Wow. It's a shame people have to graffiti all over the place. But yeah.
How many entrance points is there?
I'm not too sure.
We didn't come in this one.
Probably. No, it's further down. We're in the middle.
Yeah, it's going lower.
Area 51.
Look down here.
What's down there?
Don't know, but I think it's going to be flooded. There's a ladder, but... Oh, whoa, look at these. No way. They're in proper pristine condition as well.
Shine tops down there at the bottom.
What was it? Was this for electric?
Guy, I think that's a training for when the water rushes in.
CO2. Oh, that's a heater, that, isn't it? Like a heater. I wonder what they were.
Raise speed.
They're like hoses to cool it down. Was this for electric or was it for right above our head? I don't think it'll.
Mate, the whole thing still works. Is the door open?
Yeah, just be careful though. No, because I got these under. Yeah. Hey, you can do it with that one. Put that back on. Yes. I wonder what that was for. Is it for electric?
I don't know, it says raise speed up here though.
Look.
Ah, must be.
Because look, these are like switchboard, look. This is the new switchboard, I think. What the hell was that? What's this? Like some massive light bulb? Main DC circuit breaker. Look at this, guys. I wonder what this should have done. For fire, pull out. Wow.
Oh, this is for part of the ventilation. Plus 2 stop.
Mad. I wonder if these lights work. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, we just found a bit that close. Down?
Oh, wait, that.
No, it's left. Down there. Huh? No, it's left. That way.
What?
Yeah, that's the one we come in. Go this through that one, innit? Has that one got lighting?
This one's got light.
So yeah.
No, walk the wrong way.
No, this is the way we come.
Is it?
This is the same one, yeah.
I don't think it is.
It is.
I remember seeing that a long time ago.
I'm not sure if they'd have had mattresses.
I bet there would have been like little like prison mats.
Probably would have been just mats, wouldn't there?
Yeah.
Or like blankets on top of it. It'd been uncomfortable, I'll tell you. Probably comfier than we imagine. The old fire hose. There's so many beds down here, guys. It's absolutely nuts. If I remember rightly, yeah, there were each deep level air raid was to accommodate for 7,000 people. I could be wrong in what I'm saying, but judging by how many beds, because you'd have had one person there, 2 people on here because these were doubles, and then 1 person on there. So that's 4 people on one of them, and then you'd have 3 on this side, 3 in there. Imagine sleeping on that cold floor. Might have actually had just 2 people there and bottom was storage maybe. What's that? Oh no, we have to go out that way. Huh?
We walked down here when we were here.
Did we?
Yeah. I remember this bit.
So did we come through the middle?
What knows?
We must have come through the middle then.
Must have. Middle section.
This probably is like a mile long though. A mile long then.
Yeah. Half mile each way.
Got dry mouth, me. It's dry down here, it's warm and dry. You feel like the air is just,
Yeah, it's dry.
yeah, the air is dry. Obviously there's no circulation down here, guys, because it doesn't get used. I'm not sure how long it's not being actually used for, but I do know it's still owned by Transport for London. And be left. We're lost. Yeah, built very similar as well. Most of them are similar layout. It's easier to work off one map instead of loads of different ones. Oh, there's a right draft here. Extractor. It's colder through here. This is where we've just been.
No, this is different.
Oh no, it's a different. It is a different one because they're in different.
That's not even got a door on that one.
No.
Wait, I swear.
Yeah, they're in a bit of a manky condition then. Just careful at all. I wonder why all the hatches are up. Just be careful.
Yes, sir.
Be careful at home.
Thanks.
I nearly went through the last one. I would have probably died.
It's time to walk up like 10 stories.
Guys.
Cross my heart, I hope the elevator works.
Goes down further. I wonder where that went.
We've been down there.
Unless that was where you went. It's crazy that. So yeah, guys. Now we've got the most.
Half a mile height back up. Next time, mate. You get it.
Right.
I don't know what I've been told.
Look at all the corrosion on there.
Extra pussy is mine.
Rusted. Gonna absolutely die on the way up here, guys. This is the other side as well. I don't think the power works on this one. What? Little hatch. Dead.
Legs don't work like you used to before.
Oh. Yeah, make sure you hit that like button as well, guys. Not the stairs we've walked.
Well, he's overtook her.
So have I. I'm gonna run.
Through it.
There's no powering in there.
We just sound like out of breath, asthmatic, unfit people.
We are.
Don't smoke, guys, it's not good for your health.
They said that bad condition these stairs are in, by the way.
Yeah. They were built to last though.
Yeah, not lasting very well. I can see a big cracks and I'm about to fall through.
Joking, aren't
Yeah, are in pretty poor condition, these. But they're probably not as bad as they look.
you? Right, we've got sick of it.
Absolutely dead. Sound like panting dogs.
Son of a bitch.
I'm dying.
Quick fire again. I made it!
So yeah guys, if you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button, give it a share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, tell me down below what your part, what you enjoyed about the video, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.